Are you ready? Okay, so in 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I hope that you are too. Are you fine? I hope so. So guys, check out the calendar. Tell me, what day is it today? Do you know what day is it today? Today is Thursday. Repeat, Thursday. Good job. And what month are we in? Who knows? September. Yes, can you repeat? September. Great job. And what's the weather like today? Go look out the window, open the window and check what's the weather like today. Is it sunny? Is it rainy or partly cloudy? Today, here in Mamãe Coruja, it's a sunny day. Yes, a very bright, sunny day. Let's sing together. 1, 2, 3. What's the weather? What's the weather on this Thursday? On this Thursday. Let's look out the window. Let's look out the window. It is sunny. It is sunny. Very good. Guys, today it's book day. So get your book. Do you have your book? Open to this page. Wow! Here we can see the classroom. They are in the lab and they are watching the animals. So look, the girls and the boys are playing with the animals. Check out. Alright, now first you are going to draw the weather. Okay? So if it's sunny, you are going to draw a sun. If it's rainy, you are going to draw the rain. Okay? Alright. And now you are going to color the birds in yellow. This color, yellow. Find the bird and color yellow. Now find the fish. Where is the fish? Color the fish blue. This color, blue. So you are going to paint the fish in the color blue, okay? And now you are going to circle, make a circle like this. Circle the carrot. The carrot, where is the carrot? The rabbits eat the carrot. Circle the carrot in yellow. Okay? And cross out the turtle blue. Use the color blue to cross out the turtles. Alright? And have fun doing your activity. Now we are going to sing the bye-bye song. 1, 2, 3, and it is time to wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye.